Jesus Christ.
I say we just leave spawn now.
Yeah, come on. Yeah, shall we just go now?
I'll be like, how the f did they get there? Chris started the arches, it's simple as.
Got one down the red room. Go on, go on, push. Go on, get in there. Woo!
Watch it up, Dad. Oh, good job.
One dead.
Oh, hit!
No, I'll take it, sorry mate.
No, I got it. I gotta get my grenade anyway.
Sorry mate.
That's alright. You got me right in the cheeks. This thing's pretty insane. Oh, I didn't feel it, but I'll take it. Next alleyway. Hit! They got us locked in the spawn now, boys.
Locked in the spawn?
Yeah. I did tell you.
Oh, we're blocked in the spawn.
Yeah, we're locked in the spawn here.
Oh,
Yeah. Hit! They're in this next set here, and on the right hand side.
hit.
In that green room building. Yeah, cover in. Oh, dead. What the f*** is that? See a little white barricade here in the corner.
Yeah.
So on the back wall, that's where it's Brandon.
Is he hiding?
He's just hiding behind it.
Oh, just sitting there.
Son of a bitch! Oh, shot me in the back of the neck. I thought you was holding that.
I was holding that. No, but he came from this way.
Oh, did he?
He was all the way back here, yeah.
I think half our team's gone back downstairs. At the end. Go on, push. I think he... I think he's in that first door as you go into the building on the left.
Ross.
That's right. Oh, I'm empty. Keep down, keep down. He's looking through the gap in the tyres. There, like through the gap. Oh! Ow! Oh! That took the wind out of me, that one did. Jesus.
I don't know why you bother clicking it.
We're at like 94 or 95 at the minute.
We're getting smashed, mate.
We just boxed in, haven't we? Go get your grenade over that barricade. Let me just suppress it. Yeah, that's where he's hiding. I can suppress it. You can get up there. Ow!
Sorry, is that your job?
No, you grenaded me and as I stood up, he shot me. You pushed him back. Hey, to your right, here. Woo! Shoot me!
Don't run away!
Don't run away!
I'm not running away!
You are?
No, I'm not right here!
You're running away? He's dead, he's dead. You're f***ing everywhere, you guys are. Jesus Christ. I was watching that and then I heard something through the window. As soon as I turned around, you're there. They're murdering us.
Oh no.
Oh, f***. Oh, Jesus Christ. It's like he's got f***ing aim, boss. Jesus. Every other shot tonight has been in my f***ing neck.
Mate,
From Brandon's f***ing shotgun.
every single shot I've had's been my hands. My hands are numb.
I think I've got hardly any ammo left, to be honest. Every f***ing shot, yeah.
On that window,
Every f***ing shot.
Shot came from over and hit you in the nose.
Your head appeared,
I think so.
and as your head appeared, the shot went off instantly, and it went straight in my f***ing throat.
I'm surprised
Oh!
that shot must have gone through me and Mark in it, yeah? Yeah. Because as we went past, we were like... Are you coming to Marshall?
No,
Good
I ain't got
choice.
face protection.
That's an excuse. Grab a rental
There we
gear.
go. Ah, this smell.
You can see when you're shooting. Good point and shoot. That's the best.
Just put a torch on it. To be honest, mate, if it's pointing in the general direction, you're probably going to hit him with that. It's fucking naughty.
So they're definitely going to storm Archway 1. 100%. Brad will.
5 seconds.
4, 3,
You're in the master. You lead the way.
game on.
Go, Speedy boys.
Oh, he's lost his hat!
Side.
Dead! That took all of 30 seconds for him to wipe us out completely. Just light them up. Go on.
Hit.
Nice shot. Nice shot. Dead, dead, dead. Is Mark still in there?
Get ahead, left side of the green barrel.
Mark was in the left side.
Close it, guys.
Yeah, Brian, I'm gonna get me grenade.
Go on, go on.
Crossing, boys, get my crossing, get my crossing.
Ready?
Yeah, just twist it and go.
Yeah!
I think that was a hit on me as well, I'll take it. They're shooting through here to like the centre, so. There's shadows right there. He's right there on the corner. Oh! Nice shot!
Put it to that hand. Continue to that hand.
I don't even know where they are, to be honest.
Mate, they were left and then they push all the way forward.
Oh, hit! Headshot again, man. What the fuck? We're in a pickle here, boys. Oh, far centre. Where the entrance to the tower is. Oh, they've pushed right, Behind you, behind you. Headshot. This guy's insane. This guy is fucking insane. Every time he pops out, he shoots one round and he hits me square in the fucking face. I'm just suppressing it, so move when you're ready. What the fuck?
Try it, nice.
Come on. My gun's playing up, so you need to take point.
That's in a shadow. I just stopped at the last minute.
Oh, my gun's gone. I'll give it you.
Oh, shoot,
It's gone. I wouldn't be able to do it. I wouldn't be able to do it anyway, so I was like, oh, cheers, dude. Woo. So I pull the trigger, nothing happens. I let go of the trigger. It's all about it. I'm just going to drop this downstairs. It's too early.